As our second developer summit concludes for the weekend, we take a look at a select project, everything new coming to GDHQ, and how the members of the summit help shape our future in this month's recap. I'm Ryan at GameDevHQ.com, and I'd like to thank everyone for attending this month's summit. We hope the summit continues to grow, as we are so happy to be engaged with the community at a person-to-person level and get to know each other and our goals as developers. If you want the opportunity to get real insight from your fellow community and instructors like Jonathan Weinberger himself, come to our monthly summit and have the chance to put your name in the list of attendees and start building your path with us all here at GDHQ. You can find a link for more information regarding the Developer Summit in the description. If you're new here and have a passion for game development, come check out our channel for more tutorials and game development related content, or visit us directly at GameDevHQ.com for the Ultimate Guide series, which is in partnership with Unity Technologies for those of you who are looking to take education to the next level. Let's start the summary and review with a look at the awesome project from one of our community members, Danny Marty. In every developer summit, we start the event off with introductions and talk about projects we're working on, whether it's just ideas floating around our heads or actual games being pushed into the commercial battleground. This gives us the opportunity to talk to the community about your project, ask questions about where you should direct your next step perhaps in your journey. In only our second summit, we had the pleasure to hear from Danny Marty about his upcoming project called Crumbling World. While the project isn't ready for release, Danny plans to complete the title in full and put it out there for the world to play. Crumbling World features what appears to be a procedural generated environment, mixing an endless runner with RPG elements. The interesting mix of genres will be available on PC and possibly mobile. We'll be taking some time with Danny at a later date to truly reveal the project and show off some of the gameplay during our future stream events. If you want more information regarding Crumbling World, the description of course has all the details for you to check it out. Our mission at GDHQ is to not only train you as a game developer, but push you out of your comfort zone from hobbyist game developer and into a career with Unity. In order to accomplish that, we need to motivate you guys to work together and provide a way to experience the industry expectation from your desk at home. While we continue to still work on this mission, we always try to find new ways that we can help you guys directly do better. In exchange, that helps us do better with GameDevHQ. In this month's summit, a request for insight on how to pitch your project to investors was brought to the table. This exact topic is actually why we went to DreamHack this year. John was invited to judge the game pitch competition held at DreamHack Atlanta. If you don't know what a gaming pitch competition is, it's where a select group of indie developers will get together to speak to industry professionals on how to market their project and then display it in front of a live audience. We have this video coming out for you guys pretty soon so you can see it firsthand. So what does this mean for us here at GameDevHQ? Well, we now have the insight and knowledge on how to set you guys up to simulate this type of experience to prep you for real life events like this in the future. Does this mean that we are going to do it for sure? We don't know yet, as the summit just ended, so it's still in the talking stages. But here's the hoping that mentioning it will get you guys to start commenting that you want to see it, so I can pass it along to make sure that it's something that happens. So drop a comment below in the video and let us know if this is something you want to try your hand at. If you didn't already notice, the membership programs are available now. With the GDHQ Plus membership, each user obtains a monthly themed loot crate of downloadable assets to use in their prototypes or commercial projects. Each month, the loot crate will become available, and at the end of the month, that previous loot crate is no longer going to be listed. So be sure to download each one when they pop up. If you don't like the grabs of assets and want full access to the entire file base, you can upgrade to a professional membership and get complete file base access to use as your assets as you'd like. This, of course, also comes with the ability to access all of our educational courses, as well as various other features. You can find more information in the description regarding what benefits each membership tier has. At the end of the video, we have a special shout out to all of our recent supporters. We couldn't keep this going without you guys, so sincerely, thank you for your support. We're just about ready to finalize our content schedule. You can expect a new video 3 times a week and about 2 live events. We rarely will have any content on the weekends, so enjoy those knowing you won't miss anything happening at GDHQ for the most part. And if you do, it'll of course be there for you when you get back. On Mondays, I'll be bringing you content such as this video in regards to GameDevHQ, what our community is up to, and in some aspects, some interesting topics or tips to help you as developers stay in the loop. On Wednesdays, John will release a new tutorial on C# with Unity, and it will of course be in the same teaching fashion that you're used to, so don't expect any spoon-fed information, and be sure to take notes. On Fridays, Al Heck will soon be releasing a new tutorial on the art and visual effect functions of Unity, things like particle effects, post-processing, and more directly within Unity. Currently, a few more videos regarding Cinema 4D are coming before we move into the new Unity content, so for those of you using the C4D program, be sure not to miss these final upcoming tips. Between videos, we will have a new community piece added on Tuesday and Thursday. We will pull content made by the community and spotlight it in the front page. So get those projects situated, start talking about them so we can give you the well-deserved moment of fame on the front page. Additionally, during the evenings of those 2 days, our new streaming schedule should start keeping us up in the spirit of the community. The stream events will feature development conversations regarding new indie titles that maybe aren't released yet or showing off their gameplay when that's available. We'll also be doing some live development and build a project together as a community. And you can see the structure that a student such as myself had to learn, and together we can laugh at all my mistakes and ultimately solve the problems as a team and try new debug methods. It should be pretty interesting, and I'm hoping to push for a final project from it. I think it'd be pretty cool to have a playable game that the entire community had a say in and did all the tweaking and fixings live. Thank you all again for being a part of the Developer Summit. It really helps us ensure that we put out what you guys not only want, but what you need as well. A special thank you to all of our supporters who signed up to GDHQ Plus and Professional. That's E3 Unity Dev, or Eddie, who actually hung out with us all during DreamHack, Hagito, K-Dinner, Copacetic, Lost Boonman, Lucky Ducky Tin, who I finally converted to a forum user, Nascent Reality, aka Ryan #1, because I think she was there before me, I think. OJ Zach, one of our advisors, who's always helping people out. PKG Astronaut, I think that's Package Astronaut. Rami, who of course is always making horror games that'll never show you videos of me screaming like I did with John. And of course, the Gamer Urso. You guys are great. Thank you for your continued support, and we'll see you guys next time. Later, dudes.